What's up, everybody? CC Nut here, and today we're gonna do a little bit of PvP because we trained Wormy to level 100 EV trained speed special attack. Let's see how we do. So I'm gonna go ahead, I put him to sleep, now I'm gonna quiver dance. I'm not sure if I want to do 2 turns of quiver dance, risk it, or I'm gonna try to risk it. Hopefully he does not wake up. Yes, okay, we're good. I'm gonna go for Dream Eater because I know Bug Buzz won't do that much damage. Butterfreeze. Come on, baby. Try to make him fall asleep again. Since we have tinted lens, we don't have our accuracy on the sleep powder.
A few fights later.
Okay, Butterfree, this is what we've been training for. This is why you're here. Amazing, amazing. The pizzazz, the style. I'm gonna stab this Butterfree. What's up, guys? And we're back. This is our 3rd attempt. Okay. He goes to the Tyranitar. Oh my gosh, Slumberry. Come on, give me a break, give me a break. Yes! Oh my gosh. Tyranitar is weak against Bug. So I'm gonna do the quiver dance. 1 quiver dance. And I'm just gonna attack, man. I'm just gonna attack. There's no way around it, man. Come on, Butterfree. You can do this. You can do this. This is what we've been training for, Butterfree. This is why we're here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Please be asleep. Stay asleep. Yes, he stayed asleep. He stayed asleep. The hype. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ha ha. If this guy could just play a little faster, come on. Taste defeat. Yeah! Let's go, Butterfree. That's how we do it. That's how we do it day by day, every day. Oh man, I'm shaking. Okay. Who's next? Who wants to feel the pain? Snorlax. I'm terrified of Snorlax. But we're gonna do it. Let's go. Let's go. He's asleep. Oh, what? He disconnected. He disconnected. We did it. The beast, the champion, Butterfree. That's right. You showed him, You showed him, Caterpie, Butterfree. You showed him. You showed him who's boss. You beat the meta. You did it, man. You did it. But 1 win's not enough. I want to sweep. That's right. I want this baby to sweep. Losses. I'm very bad at this game. Okay, Apocalypse. Well, I'm gonna look up if sleep powder works on grass types, because I don't think it does. And I don't want to risk it. I know you have a water type. Bring him out. Bring him out. And eat up this Thunderbolt. I feel like I fought this guy before too. Like these two guys are the same ones I fought. I'm probably gonna see it when I watch the tape. Man, the hype was real with that Butterfree. He made that guy rage quit. Oh, gosh. Not Gliscor, no. I am expecting either a Swords Dance or an Earthquake. Let's go, Butterfree. Let's go, Butterfree. Eat up this Earthquake. Oh my gosh, this Stealth Rock. We're so brittle. Knock off. Well, there you go, guys. Butterfree. I rate this Pokemon 2 out of 10. I mean, really, the only thing I was able to do with him is hope that Sleep Powder lands, set up Quiver Dance in maybe 1 or 2 turns, and hope that Bug Buzz and Dream Eater lands and kills the opponent in one shot. Because if it doesn't, they're gonna wake up, they're gonna be mad, and they're gonna destroy this little butterfly because it has no bulk whatsoever and it has low health. And just bug and flying, and it has so many weaknesses. It just has nothing going for it. I really tried. The only way I was able to win, I mean, you saw it. They brought out a Tyranitar, landed the Sleep Powder, got 1 Quiver Dance in, got lucky enough that they stayed asleep a 3rd turn, or 2nd turn, got a Bug Buzz in, they were still asleep, even though that Tyranitar is 2 times weak against a bug, and Bug Buzz should have killed it in 1 shot. It did not, because Butterfree is a Butterfree, man. Had to kill him, hit him again. Killed Tyranitar. Luckily, he stayed asleep 3 turns, I think. Snorlax comes out. I land another Sleep Powder. They rage quit, and Butterfree wins. That was the only way that I was able to win with Butterfree. I mean, it was fun, and I'm probably going to use him later on. Probably do a little bit more PvP. Who knows? Maybe I'll get lucky. And if you stayed throughout the whole video, if you enjoyed Wormy becoming this beautiful Butterfree, this monster, a beast thing, thank you for watching, and have a great day.